So let's begin. I will log into Splunk with my credentials. So for this video, I am using Splunk 8 version 8.0.3. So whenever you log into Splunk, it will land to this page. This is called home screen or home launcher in terms of Splunk terminology. So this left hand side, all the applications which are installed in your environment will be shown here. So this is called as application bar or application panel. Then once you click on any of the the application menu or application bar will turn to drop down. Okay, and any other application related things will come over here. So again, we'll go back to that. Now if you can see the settings, so it will give you it will help you to manage your apps. The sign will click over here and you can see all the apps which is installed in your environment. Okay, so these are the apps which are currently installed in my environment. Now we can see there is an app name. So this is the name given to the app. Folder name, the folder name which is stored in the backend. So whenever you log into CLI, you can see this folder name. These two names can be different, so we can put it on our convenient. So next is version, whatever version you want to put for the for a particular application, or if you have installed from Splunk app, then the version which you have downloaded will be shown here. Next is update checking. So if you have selected yes, so if in case any update is there on Splunk app, so it will automatically get updated. So generally in any of the environment, generally keep it as no, because if you do it you keep it as yes, so generally when application get updated, the Splunk will get automatically started. So to avoid that, we keep it as no. Visible, so it shows the visibility of your app. So if we keep it as yes, so that means the app can be visible over here. So currently you can see there are few apps as search and reporting. You can see it's visible yes, so you can see it here. Then there are some systems apps like home launch. So as we have landed to this page, home launcher, so this app is called home launcher. Okay, then next option is sharing, the app sharing. So you can go to permission and you can select whether you want to share app among people or no. So you can share only to this app, or you can share among all the apps, and also with the read write access. So whatever you want to select, you can do it. Okay, status, disable, enable. So you can do it. So again, the action, whatever action you want to perform. Edit property, if this option will get selected only when you have admin access. So edit property, you can do like you can change it and upload a file in your application if you want. Now view object, whatever object is there in your application, you can view it. So yeah. Now again, there are few options are there. Browse more apps. So browse more apps, as I shown in my one of the video, I have downloaded DB app, so you can search any of the app and you can install in your environment. Or here you can see the categories. Whatever app you want to install is belong to which category, you can search it easily. Sim version, compatible version you want to give, app, add-on, app or add-on you want to select, app and add-on. uh, Support type, it is the developer means it is not developed by Splunk, and third, indirect you can say the third party developers. Splunk, supported by Splunk or not supported, so this way you can select it. Inputs, and these all parameters you can select and filter the apps. Now the next option is install app from file. So this option you can choose when you want to install, you have downloaded app from Splunk app and you want to download it in your environment. So just go and select it, choose the tar file and select it here and upload it. It will get installed. So yeah, so if you want to create app, you can do that. So I will make video on how can we create apps. So this video is not with respect to create app, and also I will in that I will explain in detail how can we deal with the app. So this is all about app configuration. Now we can go to next thing. uh, next tab is this is called a home page. If you want, you can change it by uh, with your settings. So uh, by default you will see like this. Now this is product tour. If you want to uh, you want to learn about how to add data, how to search tutorial, and the dashboard tutorials, you can do it like this. You can click on over here and this will navigate to you about how can you ingest the data. Now next one is about search. So about search also, it will give you few things about search. And then the next one is dashboard tour. So similarly it will show about some tutorial about the dashboard. Now next one is add data. It will redirect you to add data. So in one of the video I have covered how to ingest the data in Splunk. So if you want, you can go through that video, explore the data. So this came in new version of Splunk. So this is like advanced Splunking. Apps, directly you can go to app from there. So it will change the window and go to new window. Now this is all about your home page. Now you can go to user. If you have logged into administrator, so it will give you admin or your username. So yeah, so here you can see account settings. So whatever you want to change a password or email address, you can save it over here after changing it. Now logout, you all know about logout. Preferences, there are a few preferences, global preferences. So time zone, as per you as per you can change your time window. And home screen, as I said home screen, you can change any of the screen over here. Okay, this is one of the option where you want to restart jobs when the Splunk software is restarted. So if you want to do any changes, this is just apply it. Now this is very important part, important in terms of if you want to see your search GUI, if you want to see in fancy direction, fancy look, so you can do that. So first is general settings. In general settings, normally search assistance, it comes with compact search assistant. Now where you can see, like if you select line number, so it will show in search term, it will show you line number. Then auto format, your search will get auto formatted. I'll show you in a minute how it looks like. So I put first of all, I'll keep it none and make it apply. I'll go to search and reporting app. So index equal to, here it is not suggesting anything. So now I go to preference and now editor, change to compact mode, apply. So now it should show something about index, what all indexes are there, and from there you can select your index. Now next one is full assistant mode, where you can put and it will give you detail about that search as well. So you can use these options. Now here line, as you can see here there are lines are mentioned over here. So line, you can see line over there. Auto search format, it will format your search in readable format, so you can play around it. Now themes, there are a couple of themes are there. Light theme, there where the keywords will be highlighted in different color, and your search is in like your search term is highlighted in black color. So if you click on black and white, like see your all the commands are as well, the reserve word is also become black. If you want to select dark theme, you can select apply it. So you can, yeah. So this is all about preferences. So now messages, whatever warning and messages with respect to system, it will uh, show it over here. So it comes with the alerting part, so you can send your customized alerting over here from the alerting. So I'll show you that in detail in my future videos. So for now you can consider it's a system warning message alerts. You can see that. Yeah. So next is setting. There are n number of settings are there. So generally these all settings are visible only to admin. For user level, you can see the knowledge base only and few other settings. But for admin, you can see each and everything. Add data, you can directly go to add data, explore data. So this came along with the new version of Splunk. Monitoring console. Monitoring console will give you about Splunk health. So from where here you can see how Splunk is performing, health check, summary, and everything. This video is not about health check, so I'll be covering this in my upcoming videos. So like you can see all the knowledge base system settings. This is user level things. This is distributed system and data. So these settings, all settings are here. Now activity job. So whatever activity jobs are there, you can see over here. Activity job is nothing but a search which has completed, ongoing, or suspended, stopped. Whatever search is there, you can see the detail about it. Okay, job is nothing but a search, yeah. And triggered alert, through whenever you have any alert, it will show over here. So this is all about that. Help, as you know, you can see it here all about Splunk. So it has a version 8.0.3, build Splunk, DF, Hadoop, and all the other details you can see. Okay, help, you can, what is new, tutorial, Splunk answers, and everything you can see it. So I have covered all the options in Splunk. Now there are a few more thing. This can be additional thing. So if you means this is search and reporting is also one of the app which is installed, and we generally interact more with this app. So this bar is called a search bar. Whatever search is there, we write it over here like this. So you can see search. You can see all the events over here. Now more over here, and then you can see how to search, documentation, tutorial, and summary about your data summary. So you can see how many source types are there and hosts are there. So you can see the list of it. So currently it's there are few data is there, so it's taking time to load. So you can see all host, source, and source type over here. Then here you can see history, search history, whatever searches you have ran. This will show the search history. This will help you when you forgot to write your search somewhere, and you can search, you can see those searches over here. It has options as well. If you want to do it to index name, or you can search it over here. So now next option is time, and this is very important. Means generally one should not search for longer time. It will impact your system. So generally we keep it 15 minutes, 60 minutes, 24 hours, 4 hours. So you should not run your search for all time, so it will impact your system performance. Likewise, you have a relative time, like you want to run for past 4 hours or past 4 days. Likewise, you can begin with. So all the options are there. Relative times are there, like which time, relative time, like which time to time you want to give. Time range and date is also there. This one is date range, and this is date and time range. So you can specify the time and date. You can click on apply. Accordingly, it will get searched. Now this is bit advanced one, so you can minus whatever. It will give you hours. You can put it day, minutes, or likewise you can search it. Once you do it, click on search. This is how it will search your search term. There are a few other options is also there in search and reporting analytics. So this has come with a new version of Splunk dataset. What all datasets are there in your environment, it will show you all the datasets. So you can play around with it. Reporting, what all reports are there with respect to this particular app, it will show it here. So these kind of tabs you can see for all the apps. So generally, I think data analytics, you won't see it here. Search, dataset, report, alerts, and dashboard. You can see almost all the apps. So again, it's depend on how you have created the app, but by default, few of them it will come with the apps, and rest of them you can, again, it's customizable. If you want, you can keep it, remove, or whatever you want to do with that, you can do it. So these are the reports, whatever reports you have created for this app, you can see it here. Alerts is nothing but the triggering alert. So it's kind of a report, and on top of we have given a condition to trigger an alert. So next one is a dashboard. Whatever dashboard with respect to this application, you can see it over here. So same as I mentioned earlier, similarly for other applications, you can see these kind of tabs. Not all tab, but similar kind of tab you can see over there. So I think most of the things